What is up, guys? It's me, Ken, and welcome to my channel. We're here at Medellin, the Isle of Medellin, para i-test ang top speed sa itong MIUI 125. With my current setup, we're going to test kung pila iyang maabot na top speed. So here we go. Get mga 105 top speed. Let's try again. Let's head back. One more try. That's ang sata. Mawalang mga tao sa unahan. So, ang setup nato, as you all know on my previous vlog, naka 135cc injector ta, racing ignition coil, naka panggilid nato, combination 12, tulo ka 12 o tulo ka 9, and naka racing pulley ta. And then sa patong gi-add spark plug, Hella spark plug. Pero one thing lang yun nga maka-apekto sa yung kanani kay yung oversize gid ang ligid. Planning to go back to the stock size para makuha gid yung performance. Pero stability, performance wise, okay ang oversize nga ligid so far. Never experience nga ng slide. Nindot ang pang Pirelli Angel tires. This is my first time sa Isle of Medellin. Okay guys, this is round 3. Let's try. Ang speed nga yung maabot. Pero so far, top speed is 105. It's not bad with the oversized tires. What if dili ni siya oversized? I'm sure it will go to 110 siguro, 115. Okay, let's go. Thank you Lord sa good weather na maghihatag, nakalaag ta karon. We're here at the Isle of Medellin. Let's try again with stock size tires. So that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. Ride safe always. Peace. I'm out.